Move-in ready on a cul-de-sac in the Arboretum. This home checks all the boxes. Generous master suite with huge closet, 2 more bedrooms on the first floor, and bright flex room above the garage. Open floor plan. Custom blinds. Natural gas stove, fireplace and outdoor grill connect on patio. Kitchen has double sinks, granite countertops, pendant lights, and stainless appliances. Counter seating, as well as space for a big table. Roomy living room with fireplace. Dining room has a defining coffered ceiling. Big laundry room with drop zone off garage. Sidewalks and street lights. Quick commute to Fort Bragg. Wonderful location minutes from downtown Southern Pines or Village of Pinehurst. Association offers pool, clubhouse, fitness center, playground and yard maintenance.